Hi guys, today I would like to unbox one of my daughter's favorite perfume. It's My Way by Giorgio Armani. It's a feminine fragrance that combines consciously sourced ingredients from around the world in a blend woody and floral notes. Bergamot meets orange blossom from Egypt, and a luminous sparkling start with an amplified bright floral bouquet of tuberose and jasmine from India as the beating heart. So let's unbox it. So this is it. Let's open it. So this is it. This is a 90 ml perfume. So let's try it. This is really good. That's why my daughter really loves it. Beware of fake perfumes. This is 100% original. So bye guys. I hope you like it.